He says, Chintamani prakarasadma sukalpa friksha laksa friteshu surabhiya vipalayantam Laksmi sahasra satasambram sevyamanam Govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. Krishna, he's Bhagavan, he is Ishvara. You should serve this Ishvara. What is Bhagavan? Bhagavan is full of opulence. Bhagavan, he's full of beauty. He's full of fame. He's full of renunciation. He's full of wealth. He's full of strength. This is Bhagavan. You only have little strength. You are not Bhagavan. You only have little beauty. You are not Bhagavan. So some people think, I am so great. But you know, you're only one drop of Bhagavan. So Bhagavan, he is Krishna. He is all beautiful. He is all strength. Krishna, with his small finger, he lifts Govardhan hill. Such big mountain. One small finger on the left hand. This is strength. You can do this? No. Your friend, you can do this? No, you cannot do it. You are not Bhagavan. You are Bhagavan Das. You should be serving Bhagavan. If you don't serve Bhagavan, if you don't use your good birth, Indian birth, to serve Bhagavan, or you are simply animals. The birth of Indian is high because from you are little you are hearing, oh, Krishna, Radha, Ram. From small, Nrsimha, Bamandev. You are, from small boy you are hearing. See? So if you don't use this life to serve Bhagavan, oh, waste of your life. There, that's enough. That you wanted to like that?